Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will let to show to you the way or the tutorial about how to get a notification to unplug your charger whenever your battery is already fully charged. So to do that, you just need to open the shortcuts application. Make sure that you have this application. Every iPhone should have this application because it can make your work much more easier. Type shortcuts and whenever you got them, go click it. Now we just need to wait until it's open. Now we just need to take a look on this bottom side. There will be 3 sections there: shortcuts, automations, and gallery. If you want to create the new automations, just go click the middle one. Now we just need to, so in this video I will let to show you the way how to make this. So when a battery level passes about like 80%, they will be say that to unplug the charger. So here let's just create by go click this plus button, and we just need to like slide up until we found the battery level, and then we just need to go click it. And right after that we just need to go click rises above the specific part. So you just need to drag this into the specific level of the battery. Let's select here is like 90 or 80%. Let's say 90%, and after that you just need to make the options change into the raise above, and after that go change the after confirmation into run immediately to make it automatic. So now you just need to go click next and create the actions, but then you just need to jump right away into the speak text, and you just need to type the text unplug. And you're done. Just go click done, and let's just check either this is work or not. So that is the way guys how to get the notifications about unplug for your battery charger. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.
Unplug your charger.